Hey, top of the morning to you fellas. I'm over here in Newnan, Georgia. I got here right at about 7:30. Been here about 30 minutes. They're loading me up right now. It's August 31st, Monday. You doing all right? Hope everyone is staying healthy and safe. Let me adjust this a little bit. All right. So what's been going on? What kind of plans you guys got going on today? I hope you enjoyed my Firebird video yesterday. It got hot yesterday. I like the South, but sometimes I just can't stand the weather in the summer months. I had to go through Atlanta to get here. This is it's about 20-30 miles or so south of Atlanta, Georgia, on the 85. Atlanta sucks. So yeah. Nah, my trailer's still rocking. I can feel them bringing the forklift and set down the stuff. Got to adjust my mirror. Tomorrow I got to leave out for Fayetteville, Tennessee. Once I bring this load back to South Carolina. Yep. Then when I get back from Fayetteville, Tennessee, then I take a Michigan run, leaving out Thursday. I think it is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm having to deal with. Okay. I gotta blindside this thing back in. See, there's no room over here to bring it in the right way, so I gotta blindside it back. Yep. All right, fellas, you guys have a good day. All of you are probably getting ready to go to work this morning. All right, I got shit to do. Bye.